Certain corners of our planet exist as profound anomalies defying conventional logic, while challenging our fundamental understanding of Earth's design. These hidden marvels stand as silent, enduring testaments to nature's boundless creativity, reminding us that the world still harbors deep secrets. Rather than offering ordinary leisure, this journey serves as an invitation to examine the very fabric of our reality. From the colorful slopes of the Andes to the crystal-clear depths of Siberia, we find ourselves humbled by the sheer diversity of our home. This rewarding pursuit of curiosity ultimately reveals a deeper sense of wonder within the vast natural world. As we step into these extraordinary landscapes, we find that the most impossible places are often the most real. Join us on this visual odyssey through these breathtaking sights perfectly captured in this 4K travel documentary. Cappadocia, Turkey. In central Anatolia's heart, Cappadocia offers a landscape shaped by ancient volcanic eruptions and centuries of erosion. The unique fairy chimneys rise like conical pillars topped with darker stones. For generations, people carved homes, churches, and entire underground cities into this soft volcanic rock. At dawn, the sky turns beautiful shades of pink and gold as dozens of hot air balloons drift slowly over the valley. From high above, the stone formations look like a rolling tapestry of earthy, warm tones. Back on solid ground, wandering through ancient tunnels and rock-cut chapels shows how geology shaped local culture. The experience feels peaceful and contemplative. A gentle breeze, warm light, and weathered stone invite a closer look. Cappadocia doesn't rely on extreme size to impress. Instead, it charms through the graceful way that time, nature, and human history intertwine within this single shared ancient landscape captured perfectly in 4K travel documentary. Lençóis Maranhenses, Brasil. On the border of three nations stands a vertical plateau that seems separate from our modern world. Mount Roraima rises like a massive block of ancient stone, its walls soaring 1,300 feet above the jungle. The flat summit is often draped in clouds, creating a sense of entering a territory where time has simply stood still. Waterfalls spill over the edges like delicate white threads, while mist turns the landscape into something quiet and ethereal. The journey involves several days of hiking through open savannas and steep rocky slopes. Once there, the terrain reveals unique eroded rock formations and rare plants found nowhere else on Earth. These geological wonders are over 7 billion years old. With the constant wind, you feel as though you have crossed a threshold into a primitive land where nature dictates the rhythm shown vividly in this truly spectacular, very rare and unique 4K travel documentary. Wadi Rum, Jordan. In southern Jordan, Wadi Rum spectacularly stretches like a vast ocean of crimson sand and monumental rock. Grand mountains rise from the desert floor, shifting from warm copper to deep purple throughout the day. The unique wind erosion has carved amazing natural arches and smooth walls that resemble giant sculptures. The long shadows of sunset accentuate every ridge, creating a play of light that makes the landscape feel truly cinematic and grand for every curious visitor. Local Bedouin communities have called this region home for generations, sharing their deep knowledge of the desert. Staying in traditional camps under clear skies reveals thousands of sparkling stars with a clarity rarely found elsewhere. The silence here is vast and deeply enveloping. Walking across the warm, fine sand creates a profound connection to the earth and the passage of time. This peaceful, ancient desert journey is captured beautifully in this 4K travel documentary. Vatnajökull Glacier, Iceland. In southeast Iceland lies Vatnajökull, one of Europe's largest glaciers. Spanning 3,000 square miles, it hides active volcanoes beneath its massive icy surface. This contrast between ice and fire defines its unique character. Inside the breathtaking ice caves, you will find deep, almost electric blue tones created by thousands of years of compressed snow. These vibrant colors and ancient formations provide a serene yet powerful sight for any traveler visiting this frozen wonderland. Walking across the glacier with expert guides allows you to observe deep crevices and winding subglacial rivers. The gentle crunch of ice under your boots reminds you that this landscape is always in motion. During the winter, the soft light creates a peaceful atmosphere, while the summer thaw reveals the glacier's evolving face. The crisp air and dense silence make every breath feel significant. Witness all this beauty captured vividly and perfectly in this 4K travel documentary. Svalbard, Norway. High above the Arctic Circle, the Svalbard archipelago feels gracefully suspended between the frozen sea and the endless sky. During winter, a deep polar night covers the landscape for months, while in summer, the sun never sets. Sharp, craggy mountains emerge from massive glaciers that slide slowly toward the ocean, where enormous blocks of ice float in perfect silence. The unique bluish Arctic light transforms every surface into a clean and precise scene, appearing almost monochromatic to the naked eye. Longyearbyen, one of the northernmost settlements, lives in harmony with this extreme environment under strict conservation rules. Here, nature dictates the pace of life. The weather shifts rapidly. The wind feels sharp and the silence is profound. Sailing through frozen fjords or walking across mossy tundras creates a sense of absolute isolation. It feels as if the modern world has been left thousands of miles behind in this 4K travel documentary. Valley of the Geysers, Russia. On the Kamchatka Peninsula, the Valley of the Geysers holds one of the highest concentrations of geothermal activity on our planet. Massive columns of steam rise from the earth, and jets of hot water emerge at unpredictable intervals. The terrain is dotted with rich shades of ochre, deep red, and bright yellow, created by minerals and tiny organisms adapted to the extreme heat. The striking contrast between the lush green vegetation and the rising white steam creates a dynamic and vibrant scene. Access is carefully regulated with elevated paths, allowing for safe observation. The constant sound of boiling water and the distinct mineral scent remind us that the earth remains incredibly active beneath our feet. Staying here helps one understand that our planet is not static. It pulses and breathes with a constant energy. We rarely notice this power in daily life, but it is captured perfectly in this 4K travel documentary. Mount Bromo, Indonesia. On the Indonesian island of Java, Mount Bromo rises majestically within a vast volcanic caldera known as the Sea of Sand. This gray, dusty expanse stretches out like a lunar landscape dominated by the volcano's smoking cone. At an altitude of over 7,000 feet, Bromo remains active, constantly releasing plumes of white steam from its deep crater. The sunrise is a truly breathtaking moment as the sky shifts from deep blue to brilliant orange, revealing volcanic silhouettes through the morning mist. Reaching the crater rim involves crossing the sandy plain before climbing over 250 stone steps. From the top, the dark, cavernous interior of the crater offers a striking contrast to the clarity of the wide sky above. This landscape is not lush, but rather austere and incredibly powerful. Standing there with the wind lifting fine dust around you, one feels a direct connection to the Earth's internal energy. It is a profound natural spectacle featured in this 4K travel documentary. Tsingy National Park, Madagascar. In western Madagascar, a unique stone forest rises sharply toward the sky. These pointed limestone formations create a vertical labyrinth known as Tsingy, a name meaning where one cannot walk barefoot. These rocky needles were shaped by the gradual dissolution of limestone over millions of years of rainfall. In this setting, the shifting shadows between the high ridges create geometric patterns that look almost abstract. It is a remarkable testament to the patience of nature's slow and steady artistic hand. Exploring the park requires using elevated walkways and suspension bridges to protect the delicate landscape. Deep within the rocky cracks, unique species of lemurs and birds have evolved in total isolation. The contrast between the harsh mineral surface and the life thriving in small green pockets is constantly surprising. Every step here requires careful attention, revealing impossible shapes as if the Earth were experimenting with its own architecture. This unforgettable journey through stone is captured in our 4K travel documentary. Faroe Islands, Denmark. In the North Atlantic between Iceland and Norway, the Faroe Islands emerge as emerald hills rising abruptly from the sea. Vertical cliffs drop into the ocean while delicate waterfalls plunge from high peaks into the salty spray. The weather shifts constantly. Clouds, rain, and sudden sunshine alternate in minutes. This natural rhythm creates a powerful contrast between the vibrant green grass and the deep gray sea. It is a striking sight that truly honors the raw beauty of our planet. Quiet villages with traditional turf-roofed houses nestle discreetly into the rugged landscape. Roads wind through tunnels and over bridges connecting these mountainous islands. Walking the coastal trails allows one to feel the steady wind and observe the vast ocean from breathtaking heights. There are no large cities here, only open space, fresh air, and a peaceful sense of isolation. It is a place of profound harmony, beautifully showcased in this 4K travel documentary. Bryce Canyon National Park, United States. In the heart of Navajo territory, Antelope Canyon reveals itself as a winding path carved into ancient sandstone. The modest entrance hides a world of vibrant orange and gold. These walls undulate like soft fabric masterfully sculpted by centuries of seasonal rains that shaped every curve with enduring patience. Sunlight filters through narrow openings, casting ethereal beams that illuminate the drifting dust. This natural display creates a truly serene atmosphere, inviting us to appreciate the quiet power of the elements over time. It is a masterpiece that rewards those who take the time to look closely. The canyon offers two different sections, each with its own distinct and fascinating characters. Navajo guides share the cultural significance of these formations, reminding us that this landscape is sacred ground. Walking slowly is a necessity. The stillness amplifies every footstep within this living masterpiece of water and history. This quiet majesty is captured perfectly for your viewing pleasure in this special 4K travel documentary. Komodo Island, Indonesia. Among Among the islands of the Indonesian archipelago lies Komodo, a unique territory of dry rolling hills, pristine beaches, and intensely blue waters. The landscape beautifully combines golden savannas with vibrant coral reefs rich in biodiversity. In this setting, the remarkable transparency of the sea reveals underwater worlds teeming with life while the hills glow with warm, inviting tones at sunset. The national park protects both the land and sea, carefully maintaining a balance between visitors and conservation efforts. Guided trails allow you to explore the island safely while respecting the delicate ecosystem. This experience is truly immersive. The warm tropical air, the scent of salt, and the constant sound of the waves create a soothing atmosphere. Being in Komodo means feeling the pure coexistence of earth and ocean, where every element moves to a natural, steady rhythm. It is a stunning display of nature's beauty captured in this 4K travel documentary. Jiuzhaigou National Park, China. In Sichuan province, Jiuzhaigou reveals a breathtaking collection of tiered lakes that shimmer with almost impossible colors. The mineral-rich water is extraordinarily transparent, reflecting shades of turquoise emerald and deep blue. Dense forests surround the waterfalls, connecting each lake, creating a beautiful sequence of natural aquatic terraces. The clarity of the water allows you to see submerged ancient logs that appear suspended in mid-air. The park is named after 9 Tibetan villages that have historically inhabited this mountainous region. Wooden walkways allow visitors to wander through the area without harming the fragile ecosystem. In autumn, red and gold leaves intensify the vibrant colors, while winter adds a peaceful layer of snow. Walking beside these waters brings an immediate sense of calm, as the constant murmur of the waterfalls seems to steady one's own breathing. This serene and colorful journey is featured in this 4K travel documentary. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. In the heart of Croatia, Plitvice Lakes form a sequence of natural terraces where water flows from one level to another in gentle, steady cascades. 16 main lakes are connected by waterfalls that vary in size and shape, creating a dynamic landscape that shifts with the light. The calcium-rich water slowly deposits travertine, building new natural barriers over the passing years. The emerald and deep blue tones seem almost unreal beneath the reflection of the surrounding lush forest. Wooden walkways meander over the water, allowing you to walk very close to the surface without altering the environment. In spring, the water flow is strong and powerful, while autumn leaves reflect like floating brushstrokes. The constant sound of water creates a relaxing, almost meditative atmosphere. Every step encourages you to slow down and observe how nature builds and transforms its own design in this 4K travel documentary. Reflecting on these remarkable corners of the Earth reminds us that our planet remains a source of endless wonder and surprise. From the vibrant ridges of Vinikanka to the deep, silent ice of Lake Baikal, each location tells a unique story written by time itself. These hidden marvels encourage us to stay curious and cherish the natural beauty that surrounds us all. Whether it is ancient stone or shimmering water, the world continues to offer profound moments of peace and clarity. We must recognize that we are not merely visitors, but stewards of these fragile, magnificent environments. Every grain of sand in Wadi Rum and every drop of water in Plitvice holds a legacy millions of years in the making. May these breathtaking scenes inspire a deeper appreciation for the world we share. Let your curiosity lead you toward the next horizon, seeking the magic found in this 4K travel documentary.